How many positive whole numbers less than 100 are divisible by 3 but not by 2? The written solution is just fine for this, but there's also another way to look at it, and since we like to show you different ways to approach problems or visualize them, I think this one might be useful, and it might actually make the solution faster. The question asks, how many numbers less than 100 are divisible by 3 but not by 2? So that would be numbers that are not divisible by 3 and 2. And this is where it becomes interesting, and different way you can look at it is any numbers that are divisible by 3 and 2, if you remember our divisibility rules, are essentially numbers that are divisible by 6. That's how we determine divisibility by 6. You had to test divisibility by 2 and then test divisibility by 3 as well, because those are the two factors of 6. 2 times 3 equals 6. So if you test both factors, you're testing 6. So really what the question here is asking, it's asking, show me all the numbers less than 100 that are divisible by 3 but not divisible by 6. So take this total and subtract this total, and we will get some result that will be our answer. So let's take a quick moment and take a look at that. How many numbers less than 100 are divisible by 3? Well, that's kind of easy. There are 33 of them. 3 times 1 all the way up to 3 times 33 equals 99 in that case. And the next 3 would go to 102, so that's over our range of less than 100. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way up to 33 multiples of 3 that are less than 100. So this indicates there are 33 positive whole numbers divisible by 3 and less than 100. How many whole numbers less than 100 are divisible by 6? Well, that would be pretty much a similar approach. We know 100 divided by 6 is 16 and change. So 6 times 1 all the way out to 6 times 16, which equals 96, are the number of multiples of 6 that are still less than 100. When we go to the 17th multiple of 6, that becomes 102, which is again over our range of less than 100. So the answer in this case is there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way out to 16 multiples of 6 that are less than 100. So we would be subtracting 16, and the answer is 33 minus 16 is simply 17. And that could probably be calculated even faster than the written solution. But it's just one more way of looking at the problem. That might make more sense.